How's it going, Hornets? Welcome to the season premiere of Hornet Nation. I'm excited to start off this new season. I'm Shinavier.
And I'm Elija Fredrick. We have a great lineup for you in this week's episode. We take a dive into Hornet Nation, our first installment of In Their Shoes, and talk about the resurgence of Saline basketball.
Get ready, Hornet Nation. Let's go. As we kick off Season 6, we give our new viewers a deeper look into the show. Let's send it over to Noelle Murphy to tell us more.
Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes here at Hornet Nation? We're going to tell you all about it. We kick off our week with a pre-production meeting where we discuss a plan for our next show. In the meeting, we are assigned roles and topics that will be covered. Typically, Wednesday to Friday, we reach out to people, we plan to interview or shoot, then we brainstorm for our individual stories that need to be covered. Following Monday is when the hard work for production begins. Our plan gets finalized with our producers so we can begin filming, recording voiceovers, and editing it all together to make our story that we call a package. Then, we piece our story together and finish on Friday, which we call our all-in day. Finally, the following Monday we run through the show, Tuesday we film it, and Wednesday we bring it to you. With all this work, we bring you Hornet Nation. Be sure to catch us every Wednesday during Hornet Time.
Thanks, Noelle. We hope that you guys have as much fun watching the show as we have making it.
Now for one of our favorite segments, we try to keep Colin Wagner out of the gutter in this edition of In Their Shoes.
Hi, I'm Colin Wagner, and this is
Dallas Casey.
Maddie Shelton.
And we're going to do In Their Shoes. Let's do it.
In this episode of In Their Shoes, we challenge Dallas Casey and Madison Shelton to one round of bowling.
So what's your highest score in bowling?
300.
Yeah, I'm nowhere close to that at all. How do you practice to be a better bowler?
You bowl and work on things that you need to work on.
Basically, when you got the bowling ball and you're going to release it, you want to just keep your hand under it and behind it throughout the whole time. So when you're coming back and when you release, when you follow through it, like allows the ball to rotate when you're coming through on the side like this.
Varsity bowler right here. Well, clearly I'm not a great bowler. This is Colin Wagner.
Dallas Casey.
Maddie Shelton.
This has been In Their Shoes.
Thanks, Dallas and Madison, for letting us slip on your bowling shoes. If you're interested in being a guest in a future installment of In Their Shoes, see us in room C244 or message us on Instagram at Saline Video.
Tryouts for the bowling team are currently being held at Maplewood Lanes, today and tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. There will also be a player-parent meeting on November 22nd at 6:30 p.m., also at Maplewood Lanes. As our Hornets start to kick off their winter season, a lot of questions have risen about our men's basketball team. We give it over to Frank Parkinson as they dig deeper into the resurgence of Saline basketball.
The Saline men's varsity basketball team is gearing up for the 2019-2020 season, and an influx in new and returning players is boosting morale throughout the program.
Since I last played, it's got a lot more competitive. Like I noticed that my sophomore year there wasn't as many people in the gym, but this year, like for open gyms and stuff, there's been a lot more people like showing out and trying to get better.
Even with heavy doubt and constantly being labeled the underdogs, last year's team, led by Griffin Yakulich and Logan Evans, exceeded expectations, making it to the district championship and beating conference rivals. With this has come a new wave of excitement surrounding this year's squad.
I think we ended the season very well last year, and I think the Saline community saw that. and I think that's only helped the environment around here. It's encouraged everyone to want to get better and want to go farther than we did last year, so I think it's only gotten better. So.
Fans' anticipation and the team's new environment could provide for a very interesting year. We wish the men's basketball team good luck in their upcoming season.
Just be there, show out, be loud. It's always fun when you have a good student section. So.
Back to the studio, I'm Frank Parkinson.
With this reemergence, be sure to come support our Hornets. The Saline men's varsity basketball season kicks off on December 13th with their first home game against Woodhaven.
Be sure to follow us on Twitter for the latest show updates at Nation Hornet. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/SalineVideo for more great content. And since you screenagers are probably sitting on your phones anyways, give us a follow on our new Instagram account at SalineVideo. Well, this episode's over. I'm Elija Fredrick.
And I'm Shinavier. Have a stinger of a day, Hornets.